Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today on this video I bring you a very simple omena recipe. Guys, it's so simple and the final result is even amazing. I wasn't a fan of omena, but since I started cooking them this way, the story is different. So I start off by boiling omena and I just added water to them, put them in a pot and then covered that to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, I'm just going to remove them from the pot and wash them. And this is how I like to wash them, with flowing water, and I wash them until the water becomes clean, like that. And then after washing them, you can see they look perfect. I'm just going to prepare the vegetables that I will be using, and I'm using tomatoes and capsicum. I'm just going to blend them on the side. So on the same pan, although I have cleaned it, I'm going to add cooking oil. And then add 1 large onion. So next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and then stir. And then at this point I like to add my spices. I added 2 seasoning cubes, and garam masala 1 teaspoon, and I'm just going to stir. Next, I will add the blended vegetables. I like to blend my vegetables. I'm sure you have noted that in the previous videos. Just mix everything together. Also, I added 1 tablespoon tomato paste, and then after stirring, I added the omenas. So I'm just going to mix everything together. And then I'm going to cook them for some time, and it's ready. So I'm just going to garnish with some coriander, and it's ready. So guys, that's how I make my omena. On the other side, I'm cooking my greens and ugali, and after that I'm just going to serve it as it is. As you can see, my dinner is ready. My greens are looking nice. They are ready. These are traditional greens. I'll bring a recipe soon on how I make my greens, and then my ugali on the other side is done. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you on my next video.